This phone has a 5nm octa-core processor with 12 5G bands. It has a 6000 mAh massive battery. You can call it a powerhouse. It comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and guys, you also get knock security in this phone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel BrookTG. So today I am going to unbox Samsung Galaxy M33 5G phone. As you can see guys, here is our smartphone. So this is in a deep ocean blue color, and the variant is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Okay guys, let's open the box. Okay guys, let's talk about the box contents. So you will get a handset, a SIM ejector tool, a data cable, and some documentations. As you guys know, if you buy this smartphone, you have to buy a travel adapter separately. Let's unbox it. So guys, here is the phone. It's look premium, but it feels heavy. The weight of the smartphone is 215 grams. So here is some documentations and a SIM ejector tool. You will get a data cable which is Type-C to Type-C. This phone supports reversible charging. You can charge another smartphone with your phone, and this phone supports 25 watt fast charging. This phone comes with a 6.6 inch Full HD TFT display with 120Hz refresh rate. It has a 2.4 GHz 5nm processor which is Exynos 1280, which is quite good for multitasking and a little bit of gaming. There is a quad camera setup on the rear side. Okay guys, let's talk about the camera. So there is 50 megapixel primary camera, then 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth, and 2 megapixel macro. And you will get a 8 megapixel selfie camera. The camera is loaded with tons of features. The great point about this phone is you can record 4K videos at 30 fps, and the video quality is quite immersive. Okay guys, let's see the phone. So let me peel this. The color of the ocean blue is very unique, and you can see the minimalistic and classic look on this phone. So it has a 600 mAh massive battery. That's why this phone feels heavy, but the weight distribution of this phone is perfect. It is 215 grams. So here is the Type-C charging port, 3.5mm jack, and speaker grill. You will also get knock security in this phone, and it is based on Android 13 and One UI 5.0. You will get 2 years of OS update and 4 years of security updates. This phone has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on screen, and you will get a special feature which is voice focus. You can use it on calls and video calls to emit the background noises. I bought this smartphone 3 months ago with 15k, but right now the price is very high. I don't know why, but it is still a best deal if you buy this smartphone under 15k. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my all video notifications. Have a nice day.
Fun fact! You can't feel your tongue when you smile. Look at how cute you are. I got you, sucker. Look at your smile.